Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Steps Towards Crafting, and in today's video I am going to show you a beautiful wedding pop-up album. So it is going to be a flip through. So I created this album a couple of years back, and this is having this beautiful pattern paper with crochet hard doily on the cover page. When opened, this is the first page and it is having a magnetic closer, and once you open it, a beautiful pop-up card pops. So here this page is dedicated to the groom's childhood memories. So this is how the page looks. The second page on this album is dedicated to the bride's childhood family or something like that. So this is having a belly band, and once you shift the belly band here and there, you can open some cards like this, and there are photographs of the bride side on this page. On the third page we are going to have some more photos of the couple. So basically this page is dedicated to the friends of bride and groom. They were having a lot of common friends. So this is a beautiful pop-up card over here, as you can see. So once this card is open, a image slides towards the frame in the left side, and this card is even openable. So once you open it, 4 more photographs are visible. So this album came out really beautiful and pretty. Then next card is basically on the haldi ceremony of the bride and groom. So there are a lot of haldi photographs of the bride, groom and their families. So this is how the card the pop-up card looks. So you can see that a lot of photographs are there. You can also get such album customized for yourself in case you want. The next page is dedicated to the engagement of the bride and groom. So this is a collage picture where I have edited some photographs over here, and once you open it, a beautiful pop-up card pops up where the engagement photographs of the bride and groom is there. Please do let me know in the comments if you like this scrapbook, or if you would like to get something like this made for you. You can definitely get it customized from us and by visiting www.stepstowardscrafting.com, or connect with me over WhatsApp. Now the next page is dedicated to the wedding ceremony, and this is a collage picture. Once you open it, I have posted it some photographs of bride and groom over here, and once this card is open, a royal frame sort of pop-up page is there. So isn't it pretty and beautiful? Now coming to the next page, this is basically some photographs after the marriage, because this was given to them after their marriage. So some ceremonies or things like that, I mean reception and everything. So that sort of photographs are there. Next 3 pages are kept blank because the person who gifted this to the couple, they want them to customize these pages as per their upcoming memories. For example, the first Diwali, first Holi, first year of the marriage, something like that. And last page is basically kept blank for the first anniversary photograph. So this is how the album is, and I hope you like this album and would like to make something similar for yourself. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel. Thank you.